This is the Berry&Bird gardening hand fork. This thing weighs 7 ounces and it's made out of stainless steel, so it won't rust. It's put together pretty well. I've got some Berry&Bird stuff in the past and it holds up pretty well. Has an ash handle on here, which is one of the hardest woods you can get, which is good. And a little leather strap if you want to hang it off of something, or a hole in there if you want to hook it onto something. It weighs 7 ounces, so it's super lightweight. We have 12 inches from here to here, and we're looking at about 3¼ inches from here to here. Some of these forks that I've seen are pretty thin metal-wise, but this is really solid and really strong. It's very durable. It's got a nice balance on it. Feels good in my hand. I like that. You know, these things are great for all kinds of stuff, for weeding, cultivating, tilling, just chopping up dirt, getting stuff ready to plant. If you want to move this plant, transplant it into here. It's also great for like loosening up the soil while it's in the pot. So it makes it easier for me to pull this out of here and put it into the ground when I'm ready. Lightweight, feels good in my hand, balanced well. Stainless steel, ash wood, really put together well. It is not lightweight at all. It is a nice, solid material on here. I like it. Gets the job done. Berry&Bird hand fork.